guys, and now you're asking how to get out Mimi sound. Now here we come. Go download the KineMaster if you download it in some Play Store. No, that's it. No. KineMaster that you download it, you will get this. And how to get that funny sound, I just this one example, and this is my from that. This is I post yesterday. How to get that? See? Oh no, that's not what I meant. That's not what I meant. Okay, how to get that?
2,000 years later.
Ayun. That. I just others and split ahead. Now yeah, that. And there's that. I just example like this. And then open. Example. Example this one. No. Yeah, that one. Split ahead and then that. Wait. Back. Okay, just split ahead. Okay. Yeah, that's how to download. Now go to your download memes. It is example. This putting. No. This like and subscribe. That. Wait. So the truth is, this is so hard. My record timing is supposed to be timing, not messes up if you had this one. What the flip? Okay, that. Do that. What? Okay, it does that and it works. Okay. Okay, it works, but not now. Okay. If you download that Mimi sounds from YouTube, go to Google. Go to Google and search YouTube YouTube to MP3. That. Click that. And go to YouTube. Then go to search. What the said funny sound effect. That do this. which is that sound. That copied link and go to your that you get this that and you convert and you had that and done that if I get the mimi sounds. Okay.